In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add my home location in Google Maps. Setting your home makes everyday navigation faster and more accurate. It helps with one-tap directions, commute estimates, and smarter suggestions for places nearby, all tailored to where you live. Once you're in Google Maps, look for the Saved section. On a phone, you'll find Saved along the bottom of the screen. On a computer, it appears in the side panel. This is where Maps organizes your places, including lists and shortcuts that make frequently used locations easier to access. Go ahead and click Saved so we can get to the right area. Inside Saved, find and click Labeled. This is the spot where Google Maps keeps shortcuts for home and work, and it's designed to make those two addresses quick to manage. If you've never set them before, you'll see placeholders for each. If you've set them in the past, this is also where you can review or update them later. Next, look for the Home entry and open its three-dot menu. That little menu is the More Options button for Home, and it brings up the controls you need. It's easy to miss, so take a second to make sure you're tapping the three dots directly next to Home. From that menu, click Set Your Home Address. This is the command that tells Maps you want to define or change what it considers your home location. Selecting it opens a simple prompt where you'll enter your details. Now type where you live. For the best results, include your full street address and any important details like an apartment or unit number. As you type, Google Maps typically recognizes common formats and may show a neatly formatted version of your address. Clear, complete information helps Maps match the exact place and reduces the chance of misrouting. If your area uses a specific postal code or building name, including that can improve accuracy as well. Take a moment to check your spelling and numbers so the location is set precisely. That's all it takes. With your home address in place, Maps can quickly calculate routes to or from home, surface more relevant suggestions, and provide more accurate travel times during your daily routine. Your home label is tied to your signed-in account and typically syncs across your devices, so it's ready wherever you use Google Maps. And if you ever move or need to adjust it, you can come back to Saved, open Labeled, use the three-dot menu next to Home, and follow the same process to update the address. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having your home just a tap away.